Hey guys, it's me, Brandy, and I wanted to go over my Ipsy bag that I got. I got it in January. I got it at the end of January, but I have not been able to go over any of it with you yet. So here it is, the glam bag, and I'll go and pop that in there. It looks like this. So let's see, I've got this adorable little blending brush here. It's a nice little domed brush. And this is by Firma. Let's see, and I've got this little, it says it's salmon cream, so I don't know. It's got one of these little thingies on it. No, Belle. I mean, it doesn't smell. It doesn't smell like salmon, so smell. It doesn't smell like salmon, but it does say I'm supposed to use it day and night, so we will see. I have a product already that I use day and night, so whether I do that or not is going to remain to be seen. And then I have this highlighter from Catrice, and it is called Luminescence, and that is very cute. Let's see if I could.
Can I see?
Oh, that's a nice color. I feel like that'll look good with my skin color.
Can I see?
And it is called Lumi. So I will try that in an upcoming Get Ready With Me as well. And then I have this Drama Bomb. I want to say this is mascara. Let's see. Yeah. So Drama Bomb mascara from Uoma Beauty. And it's a little sample size. And then I have this Galaxy Shade Shadow from Dido Beauty, and I will go ahead and swatch that. Oh, that's pretty. It's like a light pink color. So I will use that in an upcoming video as well. So those are the items that I got from Ipsy for the month. So let's see, it looks like the full value of my box would be, let's see, it's valued at 50 plus just because we've got so many items that are samples. You can't really base the value of the sample on the value of the full size. So I will use these in an upcoming video. Please like this video if you could. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And thank you so much. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.